Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's a quick answer for two questions. Uh, the both question related to the same issue. Um, Someone said they been seeing stuff in the house moving, missing. They don't find the stuff. Like they put the keys on nightstand and they don't find it after. Some stuff like this. And the other one said sometimes they see shadow in the house, sometimes they hear voices, something dropped and you don't know who dropped it and you don't find anybody. So don't be worried, brother and sister. It's the jinn is living with us. Jinn is community like us, like they are they are Muslims, they are Christian, Catholic, Protestant, Orthodox, all all the same like the human being. And some of them good, some of them bad, some of them like try to hurt you, some of them try to be close to you. So anyways, here I'm gonna show you how to protect yourself easy from this, and don't be worried. They have no power on us, because God protect us. And what I'm gonna say today, inshallah it will protect you so well. So first of all, you have to make wudu all the time. You have to keep your wudu on. So once you go to the restroom or break your wudu for any reason, go to the restroom, have air, anything, you have to renew your wudu right away. If you're gonna pray or you're not, you have to make your wudu right away again. Okay. Second thing, you have to have your word for Quran, like make like a chapter of Quran, or like make like routinely reading of reciting of Quran daily, like one page, 2 pages, 3 pages, as much as you can. Just keep doing it every day. The other thing, you have to make your salah on time. Like once you get the adhan, as much as you can, like the adhan of Dhuhr, of Asr, of Fajr, anytime, to try to make your salah exactly on time as much as you can. Okay. Third thing, before you go to your bed, you have to wipe your bed, like with your hand, wipe your bed 3 times and say Bismillah, Bismillah, Bismillah 3 times. This is our Prophet's way to protect your bed. Sometimes they sleep in your bed. If you sleep on top of them, they're gonna hurt you. So you have to wipe your bed and say Bismillah 3 times. They're never gonna harm you. If you try to find something in the house, put the Quran on most of the time if you can in the house. If you cannot sleep, or you have a problem like waking up continually waking up, so put Surah Al-Baqarah beside you in your phone, lower the voice and put it beside you. You will sleep peacefully. Nobody willing to harm you, nobody can harm you, because Surah Al-Baqarah protecting from jinn so well. So just be safe out there and try to protect yourself. Try to do what I said, and if anything happens, just let me know, or we can discuss this another time. Thank you so much, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.